Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 CR-V Sportline. Now, as standard, these Sportlines do come with 4 front parking sensors, LED fog lights and LED daytime running lights. They also come with these piano black alloy wheels as standard as well. They are 18-inch. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, but most importantly, the design that they do actually have. Round to the rear of the car now, we do have 4 rear parking sensors. We've also got the reversing camera just up at the top there, as you can see. Moving into the tailgate now, as you can see, we do have 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor. We've also got your tyre deflation kit and gel and your Widowmaker jack just below the boot floor. We've got a nice subwoofer there on the right hand side, and you do also have a lever here just to fold the seats down flat to save your legs walking around the side of the car and back. Walking round again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, you can see that the boot floor, the seats do fold flat with the boot floor like so. It is nice and easy to get the seats back up. All you do is pull them up and it will clamp back into place. As you can see, you do get 2 seating positions. You get the upright position and the recline position just there. You've also got ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom as well, and you do get full black leather interior with automatic windows all round. You've then got keyless entry and keyless start as standard as well. Jumping inside the car, you'll notice we have your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your eCVT gearbox and your sports, econ and EV. We've then got dual climate control in the front, and we do have a 7-inch display in the middle. This comes with your satellite navigation. Comes with all of your various audio sources just there. And then we do have your Bluetooth hands-free just here. We also, on this screen, do have your reversing camera, as mentioned earlier. It does have a nice crystal clear view, as you can see just there. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls just here, with your track select on either of these arrows. We've got your onboard computer controls, voice assistant, and your Bluetooth hands-free. Now, these arrows and the enter button do work between the infotainment system and the onboard computer at the top. We've then got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control on the right, with your automatic headlights and your automatic windscreen wipers just there. As you can see, this car has done 19,511 miles. But jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this CR-V Sportline, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.